with my father, like, I'll meet you primary.
Please get a gap on it. He's cutting in and out. Other people are primary.
We are. Take forward to 20.
At the time, it wasn't annexation of the Donbass region. It was like independence for the Donbass region, and then the agreement that the rest of Ukraine would not join NATO. That was the deal that they had worked out. And look at where...
Doesn't like President Zelensky, but the sheer personality of those two would mean that they cannot sit down for a meeting. I think what matters most today is going to be how President Trump reacts to these strikes, which President Zelensky says is
session. It's called the Pandy, a lifelike plush toy designed and powered by AI. It makes you feel loved, supported, and helps during tough times. The Pandy uses AI-powered motion sensors that gently react to your touch. So when you cuddle it, it actually cuddles.
Come on. One way, asshole!
BMW Mountain View 85 North, El Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be shitting me.
00643, MSRP 32986, short-term finance.
Right side of the road, right in 31, right, 31, start EMS.
Dark one, single high, perfectly turned off the red, rolled up.
Jesus! Oh my God! That was truly an idiotic move.
on my grip, trying to bite me again. A shadow beside me.
What in
Begging,
the heck
pale and blood splattered.
is going
here.
on here?
Tonight.
Oh, yeah. You're coming in the wrong direction.
That guy just made a U-turn in... You gotta be kidding me. He's not... He wants to come back to this exit. You gotta be kidding me. Wow.
That's what happened.
He wants... I have no... I think he...
If you can't handle that, that's okay. Then go find someone else to sleep with, to be with consent. Yeah. You are not owed anything. It is your life, your body. You can do whatever with your body. No one can tell you when they want to have it or